Gokongwei! Gokongwei! We're here to tell you about linear function. So, without further ado, let's get started!
So what is a function? Function rule is a correspondence between two non-empty sets.
What is a linear function?
A linear function has one independent and one dependent variable. It has a graph of a non-vertical, non-horizontal straight line, which has a formula of f of x is equal to ax plus b.
Tell us more!
Linear function has one independent variable and one dependent variable, wherein x is the independent variable and y is the dependent one.
Linear function has domain and range. The domain is and the range is.
How do you read that?
For domain, you will read it as set of x such that x is equal to any real number. While for range, you will read it as set of y such that y is equal to any real number. So here are examples of step-by-step computations for you to understand it more. For the solution of a linear function, it is appropriate to write your answer in a function form. So if the given is f of x is equal to 3x minus 1, your answer should be f of 3 is equal to 8. Now let's learn about graphing a linear function.
What? Graphing a linear function?
So graph f of x is equals to 3x minus 2. Step 1. The function rule is written as y is equals to 3x minus 2. Step 2. Table for the graph, 2 points are sufficient to draw a straight line. But in order to ensure the graph is done correct, we can find 3 points on the graph. Let us choose x values as negative 1, 0, and 1. The corresponding y values are got using the equation. Y is equals to 3x minus 2 as follows. So put the corresponding answers in the table so that it would be easier for you to plot the points. So we will be using a graphing application so we can show you easily how to graph a linear equation. So first, what was the equation given? The equation given was f of x is equals to 3x minus 2. Step 2. Plot the points. So we already solved the x values and y values. So the first set was 1 is the 1. The second set was negative 1 is the negative 5. And the last set was 0 is the negative 2. And that's how you graph a linear equation. Now, solving problems in linear function. So now that you know linear function has an equation of ax plus b, we need the function rule for us to be able to solve the total cost. So a would be the variable cost and b would be the fixed production cost. In solving the total cost, we will be needing the function rule of 100x plus 2000. So the equation is total cost is equals to fixed production cost plus variable cost times the number of units. So the answer would be 102,000. To get the revenue, just multiply the market price to the number of units. It would be 259,750. So to get the gross profit, you just have to subtract the revenue to the total cost. So the answer is 157,750.
Thank you for watching!